This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. Relieve the fuel system pressure before beginning the procedure. The fuel pump switch, sometimes called the inertia switch, which shuts off fuel to the engine in the event of a collision, affords a simple and convenient means by which fuel pressure can be relieved before servicing fuel injection components. The switch is located behind the passenger's side kick panel. Unplug the inertia switch electrical connector. Start the engine and allow it to run until it stops. This should take only a few seconds. The fuel system pressure is now relieved. Detach the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. The fuel filter is mounted under the vehicle on the inside of the left frame rail. A suitable drain pan can be placed underneath the fuel filter to catch any residual fuel leaking out. Inspect the hose fittings at both ends of the filter to see if they're clean. If more than a light coating of dust is present, clean the fittings before proceeding. Removal of the fuel lines from the fuel filter is a two-stage procedure. First, detach the safety clips from the inlet and outlet lines. Second, install the special fuel line disconnect tool onto the fuel filter inlet port. Then push the disconnect tool into the fuel line coupling until it releases itself from the fuel filter. Repeat this step on the outlet port. After both couplings have been released, grasp the fuel hoses, one at a time, and pull them straight off the filter. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Remove the filter from the bracket. Install the new fuel filter in the same direction and secure it with a clamp. Carefully push each hose onto the filter until it's seated against the collar on the fitting, then install the clips. Make sure the clips are securely attached to the hose fittings. If they come off, the hoses could back off the filter and a fire could result. When you're finished working on the fuel system, simply plug the electrical connector back into the switch. If the inertia switch was popped or activated during this procedure, push the reset button on the top of the switch. Install the interior paneling that surrounds the inertia switch. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize. Then start the engine and check for fuel leaks.